Hello, you join me again on another video on Friend's Car Repair Corner. So today again is another mini video, going to go along with the actual theme that we've been going through with the previous videos with dechroming. So yeah, I have ordered some of this stuff like online. I was just doing, like as you do, AliExpress, Facebook, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, and I come across these, they were cheap. And yeah, you kind of get what you pay for, I suppose. But I have got some door handles, okay? And I did also have this, which is meant to be the fuel cap, but this is the wrong one. I'm pretty sure I did specify the one that I needed and they still sent me the wrong one. Yeah, it just doesn't fit. So yeah, no fuel cap one at the moment, unfortunately. I have also had delivery of, this is the steering wheel cover, where it's got like a little mark indicator and stuff like that as well. So I don't like waffling at the beginning of these videos. So let's get these door caps onto the car. And what we'll also do is tint the rear lights. I could split them to dechrome them and stuff, but I'm thinking, try a tinting film and see what that then looks like. And then that could be, yeah, the back end. There's still a few other bits and bobs that I want to do, like chrome wise to get rid of, etc. But yeah, let's get to today's video of, I don't know, part 2, part 3, part 4 of dechroming. So this is the driver's side one, because it's obviously got the hole for the actual key to go into. So it has got some double-sided sticky tape in the inside. So what I need to do is just give this a clean up, make sure it's all dry, no contaminants, etc. And then I can take the stuff off, and this will just basically, yeah, clip straight over, and I will do that on both sides. So yeah, what I plan to do is, yeah, just put like a tinting film, the lighter one that I had that I used on my Mondeo. And I think, yeah, that will look quite good because the actual light, it does sort of bend and thingy round, so I think I can, yeah, cut the paper and tuck that in nicely. So yeah, I think that will work. So that's the plan with the tinting. I probably will end up getting a like dechromed back one of that, and then maybe some tape to go around this and do that chrome, so like a full chrome delete. Oh, and I have also ordered new ones of these, but black, so black Cooper S, and I'm going to go with the red theme rather than green, because I have also got in the pipeline upgraded brakes, so going from the R53 brakes to the R56. But when I do that, I need the calipers and the carriers, so those will be coming off. So yeah, it was time to repaint, so may as well, as I think, yeah, go red. So they'll go red. I'll end up having to, yeah, get a red one of these on both sides, and then it'll be, yeah, the red theme. To be honest, I'll probably just remove that S from the steering wheel bit there, and probably make those inserts black. I don't know, undecided yet, but yeah, that's the plan. Coming along. Right, so now that I've peeled back all of those, right, okay, same thing on this side, giving it a clean, remove the sticky pads. So now I'm just gonna basically, yeah, clip on and just make sure that the adhesive is, yeah, connecting. Just let it dry. There we go, that's those done. So as I say, it's a shame that the filler cap didn't fit, but yeah, I will order the correct one and get that one in. But yeah, because that's a little bit too short of a video, let's now get these tinted, yeah, with the tinting film, see what they look like. And I also need to test the lights, etc., because I still want to be able to see out at the back of them. So if it doesn't let out the light and I'm going to get pulled over, etc., then I won't do it. I'll end up, yeah, having to split them. But yeah, let's go get some tinting film. I just need to give these a clean up now. I've got some soapy water. I've got some film that I've kind of, yeah, cut out that I just need to split, so that one side and then that side. And then, yeah, basically trim. I need to get the extension lead out so I can get the hairdryer to heat it all up. But yeah, let's start tinting these lights. Annoyingly, as I've been cleaning this one, you can see there's bugs actually inside the lens, so hopefully that will just clear up and disappear once I put the tint on. But yeah, I suppose it's another reason for me to actually split the lens. But yeah, let's get this tinted. let's get to it. Right, this one's got a crease in it, so I'm gonna have to start again. So, right, okay, so this is now like, yeah, take two of trying to get this now tinted. So back again, we have, yeah, cleaned it all up. I know which way it all is, as in the sticky stuff. And I have, yeah, done like a rough kind of marking out of what it is, you know, the actual shape of it. So now I'm going to peel the back off and put it on here and then warm it up so that it then hopefully fits. That's the plan. Right, now I need to warm it up. Just filming. Rub it. Just keeps creasing. Okay, before I persist anymore, can I see? Let's just. I mean, I think that could work. Okay, so I ended up giving up with the tinting. Thought I might try and do that another day, or actually go to an actual tinting place and see if they could just do it for me, and decided that I would start on the steering wheel. Okay, so I carried on with the steering wheel because I figured that just watching me doing some stitching wasn't going to be a very good video. So yeah, I have tucked it all in. Okay, I haven't completely finished. I need to tighten, tie that bit off and pull it all to sort of together at the back and stuff. But most of it is now all tucked in, and yeah, it feels really good. So yeah, I'm happy with the steering wheel. So yeah, happy days with that. Okay, so that is where we're going to leave the video for today. So that is the steering wheel, that is the door covers, and that was an attempt at tinting the rear tail lights. So yeah, no, it is coming along nicely. I've got a lot of parts now for the car. So yeah, I can just crack on when I've got the time to do it. I'm on the early shift this week, so hopefully if the rain is, you know, not around, then I can actually do some work in the evening or at the weekend. But yeah, I've got the exhaust, I've got the brakes. I'm still waiting on some other stuff. But yeah, so if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe and join me on the next one.